We continue again with quadratic equations, and today we are going to do something different. I am taking a question right from the beginning of the chapter of quadratic equation where they talk about a hall which has a carpet area of 300 meters square. The length of the hall is 1 meter more than twice the breadth, so we need to draw or visualize that. So simply draw that, write 300 meters square, which shows your carpet area. The breadth is equal to, the length is equal to, and here it says that the breadth is the length is one more than twice the breadth. So you need to find the length and the breadth. Since the breadth is a smaller amount, we write it as x, and the length is twice the breadth plus one more. It would be like that. And here we have let length be 2x plus 1 and breadth be x, and according to the question, area of hall is equal to 300 meters square. See, if you systematically write it like this, you would be able to apply the formula of the area of a rectangle, which is length into breadth, is equal to 300 meters square, which means that you have 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 300 meters square. And when you multiply this binomial with a monomial, you will have 2x squared plus x, then immediately bring the 300 this side. 300 is equal to 0, which would be your quadratic equation. Now the next step is for us to do this equation by prime factorization method, because they might ask you to do that. So as I had explained earlier, you need to draw your working column, multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constant 300, you get 600, and immediately factorize this by prime factorization, and you will know the reason why in a while. So that will be 300, that will give you 150, that will give you 75, that will give you 25, and then you have another 5 there with 25 and 5 1, and you have 2 cubed into 3 into 5 square. And when you look at the middle term, it is only 1 unit, and you get a 1 unit by combining these 3 in multiplication. 2 cubed into 3 would give you 24, and 5 square would give you 25. So let's look at how it happens now. You have 2x squared plus 25x. The bigger amount would be positive, since this is a positive, minus 24x minus 300 is equal to 0. So now you would look here that you have only positives as well as no common number except x. So you put your x outside, and inside you have your 2x plus 25. And here you need to get a 2x inside. So 24, you put your 12 minus 12x, okay? And then minus 12x, and that would give you 12 into 2. 12 into 2x would give you 24x, minus into plus would give you minus, and 12 into 25 would give you 300, and this is equal to 0. Sorry about putting the x there. Now you have x minus 12 and 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 12 is equal to 0, which imply that x is equal to 12, or 2x plus 25 is equal to 0, which imply that x is equal to 25, and that would be a negative upon 2. Those are your two values of x. However, they are saying that the whole is something different. It is a dimension, and when you're talking about dimensions, a negative is completely out. So you don't need to consider the negative. So you have minus 25 upon 2. What you would need to do is, therefore, length of whole is equal to twice x plus 1, which is equal to twice of 12 plus 1, which is equal to 25, and breadth of whole is equal to x, which is equal to 12, and there you have your 300 meters square, and that is your answer. Length equal 25 meters, breadth equal 12 meters.